Troy Kearns bringing it to you live from Platte County, Missouri, in Kansas City, Missouri, 6 minutes east of the airport at my new construction site house. I'm with Sierra Dominic from Wardell and Homes, and we just got done touring her new, or what year was it built in, Sierra?
2012.
Her 2012 build, and I got a 2022, I guess, build coming. I'm gonna tour it through with her. We're gonna kind of check it out. I'm not selling it. This is my primary residence. I'm just showing it. I'll tell you through about some of the mistakes I made. We'll get into the garage to get out of the wind first. But these guys are wrapping things up right now on the framing aspect of things.
So are you the general contractor here?
I am an owner, builder, general contractor.
Nice.
Well, I don't know if it was a good idea, because if I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't have done that. But I'm happy that we did it. My wife is not. It's actually not requiring that much time because we have great guys like him working hard and putting this together. But I'll tell you a couple things that we did real quick that are interesting. So originally, the architect designed these doors to be on the other side. Obviously, you got your house, your breezeway. That's a tight turn on 11 acres. So I flipped it during construction. So this will be the garage. Yeah, so you have a pull through here. Then this will be like a little bathroom. Plus we have a bonus area where I'll put my office up there. That'll where I'll put the driving range. Yeah, so we walk out here. You've got a retaining wall built out of your magnificent stones, that bedrock out of Missouri. And then if you could tell, the other change that I just made, the master was too small. So if you see where that area pops out, like literally I walked the floor plan of the house, and I'll show you, and I walked the master, and I'm like, this is too small, we gotta change this. So we've got a dormer pop out on this side. I'm not gonna probably pop it out just because we're over budget, we're over everything. Originally, I budgeted this house to be built for $650,000. To answer your question, it's 4,200 square foot on this, and then we got a garage.
Is that pretty typical for size around all these other houses?
Well, I think theirs is like 6,400 square foot because they've got a basketball court inside. This one's a little bit smaller. This one's big. I think they're probably around 3,500 square foot. Yeah, there's a monster. So what we have here is interesting because you asked that question. My wife went to like the homeowner meeting around here, and they have two types of people. People with them, like with kids, and people who are retired. So the smaller houses are the retired people, and the bigger houses generally are the people with kids. So you walk through the breezeway right here. This will be where you come in. This is the pantry behind here. This is the kitchen right here. This will be the great room right in here. Pretty cool design. The reason we positioned our house the way we did on the lot is because of the pond right there. It's not our pond, but we can look at it.
Why is it that people like to look at bodies of water so much? I wonder.
I think it's that whole earth, wind, fire, ice, that whole thing. It's just like, water's very calming, I think. The construction site's really dirty right now. Normally these guys keep it impeccably clean. We're pushing them to finish, so you could see. This is like the laundry room. Then this is the woman's master closet, okay? I can't get through here, but she can. So this will be the woman's master closet. This is the laundry room. So when you come out the kitchen and the great room, you walk down the hallway. We've got a powder room here. This is my closet right here. So obviously you can see we're walking up on the master. So the master's here. So when I walked it, originally I'm walking through here, and you're gonna say, hey Troy, did you approve the plans? Yeah, I approved the plans, but I'm not very good at like reading details and stuff like that. And so did my wife, and she's good on the details, so I was expecting her to catch that. You can see that this is like supposed to be a little closet, like coffee area right here, and then this is a closet for the linen room right there, and this goes into our master. And so when I walked it, it ended right here. No, sorry, excuse me. It ended on this wall. Yeah, so this wall right here is where it ended. So you can see that's very small. So we added this as a last minute change, and that slowed us down on construction. But the cool thing is now we've extended our master to be an actual nice size master. This is the view of it. And then right here to your left, we're gonna build a deck now, which wasn't even in the plans. So I'm actually pleased with the failure. Yeah, you fail forward, you make your mistake. So we're walking in right now to the master bathroom. This is the toilet, this is the shower, and this will be the tub area that we talked about that I think is a waste of time. This will be the woman's closet, which walks into this is the men's closet. My wife likes to call it the cloffice. This is the new thing, like on the house another house we're designing is going to have a cloffice in it. So that'll be her office and her closet. So these are the kids' bedroom. This is my son's. This will be his closet. As we walk through the closet, you have a Jack and Jill similar to what you showed about, except for this one is in construction phases only. This is my daughter's room right here. So this is right here. So this is what we have in terms of the main area. of the house. Now we're gonna walk down to the basement and you can kind of see what we got going on here. So we made a bunch of mistakes on this house, which is fine because we made them. Nobody else did, so we got no one to blame. So originally, this area right here is not gonna be finished. This area right here, behind this wall, is not gonna be finished. We originally were gonna do a secret room in here, and this is we're standing in the theater room. This is too small. So now this goes away. We push the theater room all the way out there, and we'll put like something over the window when we're not using it, but this whole area now will be the theater room. This is gonna be the audio visual room. This is a playroom, so it'll kind of open up so
You can put your
kids
projector screen in front of your window to pull down.
That's probably what we're gonna do. Good idea.
Is this a garage?
This is not. This is a window.
Oh, wow.
Or a door or something. Yeah, this is, no, the garage is over there. This is just walk out. So this is like, you walk out on your patio right here. So you already got your piers. There's gonna be a nice overhang coming across here. I'm gonna put a huge fireplace that looks right at the water right there. So when you come out here, you can sink that. It's gonna go below, and I'm gonna use some of these stones that we got left as seats for it. And then you'll have a nice fire pit, no neighbors.
Yeah, no noise.
It's pretty quiet out here, right?
Yeah, you have 11 acres?
10.97, but who's counting?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this area is done.
Are you gonna make a closet here just for storage?
Yeah, we're gonna probably, my wife's like, we don't need any more storage. I was like, you always want more storage. So we're just gonna build that. This is gonna be bedroom number 4, B4. This is a full bath down here. This is bedroom number 5. And then this is going to be another area that we don't finish up because of the septic load. So we have a choice to finish it after the CO if we want to. So we'll probably wire it, we'll probably insulate it just like your people did, except for we won't finish it. The other interesting fact, I'm gonna give you a couple factoids here. All of the steel beams in this house was $17,000 installed. The concrete floor that we're standing on was $22,000.
That's just the floors, not the whole foundation.
No, so the walls were $40,000. So 40 plus 25, let's call it, that's 65. Then 10,000 to finish out the basement, so that's $75,000 just in concrete work. The stone, the retaining wall was $27,000. The lumber package was $175,000. The window package was $62,000.
So pre-COVID, you could have built this house.
So 650. 650 pre-COVID. Post-COVID, we don't have a finish line. We only have a let's finish it. And I got denied on my loan, so this is coming out of my pocketbook, which means I took all my investments in Kansas City, stripped the equity out of them. I'm dumping it in this house and I'll pull it back out once we're done with it. So that's it. Hey, thank you for staying tuned all the way to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed and I hope you're actually learning something. If you are, make sure you stay tuned because we got plenty of more videos and we're gonna have video after video so you can enjoy and learn from what we're doing. I'm learning, we're all learning, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Peace.